As airports and businesses start opening up again, the pressure is on for cleaning firms to keep spaces clean. Public hygiene experts say it's key to ensure that COVID-19 doesn't come back with a vengeance. But the tricky part is how to keep the virus at bay. Melissa Goh, who's been our eyes and ears at the CleanEnviro Summit this week, joins us live. Mel, with more countries and businesses opening up now, how will these cleaning companies cope and scale up in time when demand is there, but workers not necessarily?
Yeah, so what cleaning firms are actually looking at is to look at new ways of doing things, as well as, they're seeking more flexibility in terms of hiring. That's because the manpower issue is very real. With borders reopening, many of their cleaners, which many of them are from overseas, they're looking to go home for a long break or just go home for good. So that's exacerbating a manpower crunch for an industry that's already finding it very hard to attract talent. Apart from that, they are also facing supply chain issues. With ports like many ports such as those in China closed, they are worried that, consumables like your toilet paper, your plastic bags, they're anticipating that this might become an issue moving forward. So what they're looking at now, is they're continuing to look at new innovations, new technologies to improve efficiencies. And the industry association that I spoke to say they've been especially looking out for those at the CleanEnviro Summit in terms of robots and other solutions. So let's have a listen.
We're also looking at software systems that can help us. Say, for example, there is also these smart toilet systems that able to give the workers the preempt messages to say that, for example, the toilet rolls has run down, the soap has run down, for them to react. And this actually helps because they are able to make full use or better efficiently use their time to move around.
Yes, but robots can't replace humans. The cleaning firms are hoping for more flexibility to hire from more places, so they have the extra capacity to also send the workers for training to maximize these sort of solutions.
And in this day and age, it is so important to keep spaces clean, isn't it? Because clean has now become synonymous with safe.
Yeah, definitely, and it's this is something that infectious diseases experts that I spoke to are hoping will stay. The way we look at cleaning has changed. Initially, before COVID, perhaps we were looking at cleaning as a way to keep smells away, keep spaces looking clean. But now, infectious diseases experts are saying they are seeing an increased emphasis on cleaning for safety. So that's in terms of the chemicals, disinfectants that we actually use. So they're hoping that this will continue on even, with as the pandemic passes on.
All right, Melissa Goh.
The point that I'm really worried about is that people are moving back and going, oh, we don't have to do this anymore. No, you do it based on the hazards and based on your risk assessment. And that needs to become part of our culture of cleaning, to ensure that we're creating a healthy indoor space. And this is what's really challenging now, is that we don't go back to 2019.
Melissa Goh has the very latest with that report from CleanEnviro Summit in Singapore.